Hi, I'm Neil with Tuck, and today we're going to be looking at the Tuft Needle Pillow. Tuft and Needle is known for their mattresses, but this is their first foray into the pillow game, and they're using their same adaptive foam technology as in their mattresses. It's designed to work with most sleepers, but will it work for you? Let's put it to the test and find out. Before we get started, if you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment to let us know. Now let's dive in. The Tuft and Needle Pillow comes in two sizes, standard and king. The standard model is 16 inches wide by 25 inches long and only weighs 3.1 pounds. This pillow has a 5-inch loft and is non-adjustable. The cover is a soft blend of polyester, tencel, and elastane. You'll see this pillow features the same design as their mattresses. The interior is a solid piece of Tuft and Needle Adaptive Foam with heat-wicking graphite and cooling gel. As you can see, the interior is full of holes, which they call open cell technology. It allows for more breathability and a cooler pillow overall. You can completely remove the cover to machine wash and then air dry. One downside is that you cannot actually wash the pillow itself. The Tuft and Needle Pillow is medium firmness, which means that it's not too soft, not too firm. It conforms well to the head and neck area. I would have to say that I've found it plush but supportive, which means that you'll sink in at first, but there's plenty of support underneath to be found. It'll keep your head and neck in good alignment. The Tuft and Needle Adaptive Foam is very responsive. I found that you could squeeze it, push it, and it always bounced back. I myself am a combination sleeper, and I found it very easy to change positions in the middle of the night. It never requires fluffing, and due to its resilient construction, we can see this pillow lasting a long time. I found this pillow lived up to the cooling hype. It was always cool to the touch, and the open cell technology coupled with the heat-wicking graphite and cooling gel in the foam was an unbeatable combination. I personally liked the Tuft and Needle Pillow. I found that this pillow kept me nice and cool, and it definitely kept my head and neck in place while I was watching Netflix on my phone while I was trying to go to sleep. I do have a concern that if you don't have a thick enough pillowcase, you might feel these ridges on your face in the night, but not a big concern. So who is this pillow good for? Tuft and Needle designed this pillow with all sleepers in mind, but we found that it's primarily best for back and side sleepers of all weights, but especially of an average weight. We found the loft was a bit too high for stomach sleepers, but if a cool pillow is what you're looking for, this might just be the one for you. If you're considering a Tuft and Needle pillow, here's a few extra details that you might be interested in. They offer a 100-night sleep trial, free shipping in the US, and a 3-year limited warranty. For up-to-date pricing and exclusive coupons, check the description below or go to tuck.com. Thank you for watching this Tuft and Needle Pillow review. Please like and subscribe, and if you have any questions or would like a personal recommendation, please comment below and we'll get right back to you. My name is Neil, and it's been real.